So people often ask me, can my sinuses or a sinus infection be affecting my vertigo? And the answer is, yeah, it can wind up be triggering it, and I'm going to talk with you on this video about how that happens. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and I've been helping people to remove the blockages from their health to lead amazing, fantastic lives without drugs and surgery for the last 20 years. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel if you like answers to questions like this, and go ahead and hit the alerts so that you get updated on new videos as well. So, can an infection or my sinuses and allergies wind up causing or triggering vertigo? The direct answer is that pressure in this area typically will not cause vertigo. However, the indirect answer is that the immune system overreacting to the environment, and that's what causes sinuses to be a problem, winds up being controlled by a portion that also controls how people experience the atmosphere and whether or not you're going to spin or not. So vertigo. So if you've had problems with sinuses for a long time and you've never gotten to the cause of the problem, I got to tell you, a lack of Allegra and or Claritin is not the cause of the problem. The cause of the problem is usually inside with our ability to respond to something on the outside. So we've got to address the cause of why we can't react to the environment. That area also controls balance, so we've got to be sure to pay attention to that, looking primarily at the top of your neck or the cervical spine. This is actually what got me into chiropractic, and if you want to click the video up here, this is where I share my story. Without addressing these areas and taking care of the cause of the problem, those sinus issues will continue to show up, and that vertigo is getting closer and closer to becoming more regular and a part of your life. The stress that you're going through as your body responds to the environment is triggering as well you to spin, getting vertigo. If you've been wondering how or what to do to take care of this, go ahead and write down below some of your questions and I'll do my best to answer. Also down below, I'm going to provide for you a link to our 5 steps to getting out of the vertigo spins quickly. This is a cheat sheet that I've developed for people in the world, around the world, to help them get out of the vertigo spins. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.